I'm gonna wear it. But I'm gonna wear it. I'm gonna wear it. It could go with this, and it could go with that, and it could go with this, and it could go with that. But then you gotta ask yourself the ultimate question: when was the last time you wore this? Hello my beautiful kings and queens, it's your girl Queen C, and I'm back with another episode. If you're new here, hi, hello, my name is Spooner, aka Queen C, and as you guys can see by the title, I'll be teaching you guys or helping you guys with a proper closet cleanup. Now before we get into this episode, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Why? Because it's the Spooner. Should subscribe sooner. And let's get into this episode. In previous episodes of Spoonfed Fashion, I've given advice and taught you guys how to find your personal style. Now that you guys have done that part, hopefully you have. If you didn't, go back and go check it out if you are struggling with finding your personal style. But now that we got that down packed, now we need to do a closet clean out. Because it's 2025, a lot of the things that we have, even that I have, are from years ago and it's outdated, it don't fit, we don't like it anymore, but for some reason it's still in the closet. Well, today we are doing a proper closet clean out, okay? And I have a lot of stuff. I have a box full of items that I am either going to give away or I'm going to sell. And we are going to be going through this box. Not the entire box, but as I explain the ways to do a proper clean out, we are going to be going through it. So let's get started. The first question you want to ask yourself is, do you even like the item? A lot of times, a lot of things in our closet aren't actually things that we like, but things that may hold sentimental value, things that we're like, we're going to get to that, we're going to wear it. For example, I'll take this one. I had this for over 5 years now. When I ask myself, do I even like this item? The answer is no. I don't really like the item. I more so have it because it's not really sentimental value, but because the brand is Hood by Air, and Hood by Air no longer makes clothing, I believe. Yeah, I don't think they make clothing anymore. And I'm just like, I'm gonna hold on to this piece because it's a unique piece, even though I don't wear it. However, it's taking up space in our closet. It is wasting energy, it's wasting time when it can be given to somebody who can dress this down. So again, first question is, do you even like this item? No. And if the answer is no, goes in a pile of getting rid of, donating, whatever that pile is, put it in that pile, okay? Now the second question that you want to ask yourself is, does this fit into the new person that I'm becoming? Again, we're trying to build our personal style. We're trying to build a style that's unique to us. So does this particular item actually fit into the aesthetic that I'm going for? Do I look in my mood board and do I see an item like this there? If the answer is no, again, going to that pile that no longer serves us. So for example, I'm gonna use this. First question was, do I actually like the item? Yes, I think this is a unique item. I think it's cool. I have a lot of bodysuits, so I like it. It's cool, right? But does it actually fit the person that I'm becoming, or does it fit the personal style that I'm trying to achieve? Not exactly. I would say that this is not a universal top, and I'm trying to buy items and trying to keep items where, you know, it could be universal and I could wear it multiple ways, and this doesn't really do that, you know? It just doesn't fit the person I guess I'm becoming. I want to be more proportional with my clothing. I want to wear more baggy bottoms, more like fitted tops, more structured tops, and this is not really given that. So it's gonna go into the pile, the no pile, the donate pile, okay? And then the last question is, can I wear this multiple times? So as I said previously, I can't see myself wearing this multiple different ways. I can only see myself wearing this one way, which is one aesthetic, which is like that grungy, gothic type of aesthetic. I can't see myself being so many characters with this. I think this is very limited, and unfortunately with the person that I want to be and how I want my style to be translated, this just does not fit that anymore. And as much as I would love to hold on to this piece because I think it's actually really cool, it's time to let it go. So I'm gonna take this one for an example. So the first two answers were yes for this one. Do I like this item? Yes, it has flare sleeves. It has like an open back. I think it's a cute top. Second question is, does it fit the person I'm becoming? Maybe. It has a unique fit, a unique structure to it. It has some type of structure to it. But can I see myself wearing this so many times and getting a good wear out of it? Not really, because I had this for maybe this over 5 years as well, and I probably worn it 3 times. I'm not gonna lie, I probably worn it 3 times. I just feel like open backs is specifically for the summertime, and this is a long sleeve and it kind of has a neck. It's not a turtleneck, but it has a higher neck collar than usual shirts. So I don't see myself getting much wear out of it because of the backless, because of the higher neck. In that instance, it's gonna go in the pile that does not serve me anymore, that I'm going to be donating. So these 3 questions are the easiest and the fastest way, in my opinion, to decide if you're going to keep an item. Now, if it comes to everything is hitting yes, that means to keep the item. If everything is hitting no, that means not to keep it. If the first 2 things are a no, but the last one is a yes, don't keep it, okay? If there is a no in any of the questions, do not keep it, okay? This piece right here, I was debating on it, but I decided to keep it. So first question is, do I like the item? Yes. Second question is, does it fit the new person that I am? Yes, because I am going for more tops, like I said, with some type of structure, or I'm really into tops and I think these type of tops look good on me. The off the shoulder tops, strapless tops, I think those kind of things look really good on me, and this is that. Now the last question I kind of struggled with, which was, can I wear this 3 times? Because this is a unique pattern and it's off the shoulder and it's a little dark, I'm more so a light colored, I guess, type of person. Unless it's black, I think majority of my closet is like light colored, but that's besides the point. I struggle with that because I'm like, how can I wear this 3 different ways? But I did it. I found 3 different outfits, and after that question I was like, okay, it's a keeper. We got a keeper on our hand. Now in this boxes is a bunch of no's. I mean, I have this sweater, like it's just giving grandma. Do I like this? No, I don't like this anymore. When I bought it, I thought it was so snuggy and cozy, and it's just like giving campfire. No, it's giving rug. Okay, so not keeping that. If it's hitting all yeses, but you still kind of want to get rid of it, ask yourself, when was the last time you wore this? Now that is a question where you know you want to get rid of something, but you're just like, oh, but I'm gonna wear it, but I'm gonna wear it, but I'm gonna wear it, I'm gonna wear it. It could go with this, and it could go with that, and it could go with this, and it could go with that. But then you gotta ask yourself the ultimate question: when was the last time you wore this? And if the answer is never, if the answer was more than 2 years ago, with a year I'll let you slide, but if the answer was more than 2 years ago, let that piece go. Let it go. It serves you no purpose. It is taking space in your closet, okay? And sometimes you buy stuff just because it's trendy, just because it's in the now, and unfortunately you are probably, if you're not haven't worn that item in a good amount of time, I'm telling you right now, you're not gonna wear it. For example, this right here, I absolutely love this sweater. I love the color. I like the item, yes. Does it fit the new person I'm becoming? I would say yes. It has some color to it. Can I wear this multiple ways? Yes. However, when was the last time I wore this? More than 2 years ago. Okay, maybe, I don't even know how long, but I had this for quite some time. I had this probably for like 3 years now, okay? I haven't worn it that much, and in the times that I have worn it, it's kind of just like a throw-on item, just an item, just just throw it on, I'm cold, just a sweater. But have I really like appreciated this item? No, I don't wear it. And I keep saying I'm gonna wear it, I'm gonna keep it though. Like, I love it. It's a nice, look at this, it's a nice orange, okay? It's a nice orange, it's a nice cardigan, got some cute buttons. Like, it's cute, I'm gonna wear it. But when was the last time I actually wore it? I can't even tell you, okay? I cannot tell you for the life of me. So again, a lot of the stuff in here is done. It is I'm getting rid of it. I do have a Depop for those who want to shop my Depop. I do have like women's clothing on there. I have shoes, bags, accessories. I do have a couple of like, I want to say unisex pieces. For example, I have this shirt. The brand is Tier. Is it Tier or Tier? This brand right here, I think this is such a cool shirt. It's a men's piece. Unfortunately, it's just too oversized for me. I don't like the boxiness and the fitting of it for me, but I feel like it's such a cool shirt. So stuff like this I'll be putting on my Depop that's unisex. So you guys can check that out. I'll put it on the screen, I'll put it in the description, all of that stuff. So summing everything up, first question, do you like this item? If it's a no, get rid of it. If it's a yes, second question to ask yourself, does it fit the unique style that you're trying to create? Does it fit the new person that you're becoming? No, get rid of it. If it's a yes, last question is, can you wear this multiple times? Can you see yourself wearing this multiple times? If it's a yes, keep it. And if it's a no, get rid of it. And if it's a yes, but for some reason you're like, you're still iffy on it, when was the last time you actually wore that item? Is it one of those pieces that you're like, you're gonna wear it? Get rid of it. It's wasting space. So I hope you guys take my advice. Let me know if you guys apply it to your closet clean out. Like I said, my Depop will be on the screen in the description below. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Why? Because it's the average spooner. Should subscribe sooner. And I'll see you guys in my next episode. Mwah.